Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys is the first day of snowfall here in Utah. There is RJ making snowman. Oh my god, so heavy that RJ. No, look at you. Oh my god. Wow, so big RJ. Oh no, a tree. A small head. A small head. There he is. Ooh, it's so cold. Look at that. What you doing there? No, don't put a rock there. Because when you mowing that there, the rock is fluttering in the lawnmower. Look at that there. Ooh, so cold. What time now? It's 10:10. RJ. RJ in online school, and if have break time, we go in the backyard and making snowball and running here because it's he amazed. This is the first time snow here in Utah. Just today, this morning. What? Really? Have snow? Oh my goodness, it's super cold. Ooh, wow, look at your snowman, RJ. It's cool. Small head. You're funny. There you go. Have no mouth, only eyes. Okay, that's his mouth. I am shivering now here, RJ. I'm cold. I'm cold, RJ. Yeah, it's so cold. Oh my god. You cold too?
Have your phone?
What?
I
Wait,
take a
wait,
picture.
wait. It's the first time snow in Utah, guys. So, are you making snowman? Okay, first take RJ to put in the snowman. Here is the snowman, RJ. In the fence, RJ. No, there. Close to the fence. Out there. You see it? Yep, up there. Right there, RJ. The small only, RJ. That's the arm. Ooh, look at that. Here is his arm. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ooh, I'm shaking, RJ. I'm cold. Look at RJ arm, honey. There you go. Small head.
The size snowman.
I'm shivering, RJ. Whew, it's so cold. Here you come, RJ. What you put there? What's that, RJ? His nose? That his nose? A green nose? There you go. Hey, come here now. It's so cold, RJ.
That's
There he
the
is.
snowman.
RJ. Oh, clean up your butts first. This is so
Okay,
icy. See?
I'll take another picture.
Okay, what you can see, the snowman you make, RJ.
He's a snowman that's waving to you.
It's
That
waving.
has a weird green half nose.
As it's waving, my goodness. What you doing? see what you doing, RJ? You put leaves, a leaf. Look at that. Oh, so cold. Here is the plants, RJ. Of snow too. Look. You're funny. There is. My garden is white. Ooh. Grabe. Ang lamig dito.
The next morning.
Hi, RJ. Oh my god, it's super cool. Look at RJ.
Hi.
Here's RJ.
Pound of snow.
The second day of snowfall.
Come.
Here is so cold. I have no gloves. Look at that, RJ. Oh my god. See the snow? What you do? Come here. Oh my god, we need to shovel later. Look at the road and the sidewalk, RJ, is full of snow and the driveway. Look at that
See
there.
how long this is. Ready?
Yeah?
With my not very long fingers.
Not very long finger. Oh no! Whoa! Oh my god, how about 5 inches or 6? Look at! Oh my god, so cold!
Yay!
Ah, so cold, aren't you? See the snow? Look at you there. Ooh, my goodness. See the snow, guys. Ang lamig na dito, oh. Tingnan nyo. RJ playing the snow. There is the side. Ooh, look at the house. House is there, RJ. A lot of snow at the front. Ugh, it's so cold. Oh my goodness, look. Ooh. Ooh. Ang lamig na dito, RJ. I make me shivering. Yep. So, look like 6 inches. Ooh. See guys, the snow, guys. Look at that snow. I'm so cold.
Good.
I'm frozen now, RJ. I'm shivering now.
Different?
Yep. Hello, that is dirty. Okay, we go now. The second day of the snow today. Here it is. Okay guys, I want to show you the backyard, guys. Here is the back, guys. Look at this snow. See the chair? Snow too in here. Ooh, the snowman RJ is still alive. He's still there. Look at that. Ang lamig. See the house is here in the back. It's all white. See the mountain. It's dark, still dark. Good. Hi guys. And now guys, the second day of snow. I want to show you guys. We put the spike so that not slippery.
Where's the other one?
Only one that, honey. I not found the other one.
I can't go out there.
There is the snow. How many inches, RJ? 5 inches? Ooh, look at that snow, RJ. Yes, RJ. God. Ang lamig, lamig. It's so windy. Ooh, have a lot of snow, RJ. Daddy. See, 2 inches. I think it's 5 inches. But 2 inches. Oh, there is Daddy. Oh my God. Look at that snow.
Best skiing. Best skiing.
Wow, so cold. Here's the front. Here's RJ. Yeah. Yeah, I'm cold. I put my jacket. It's so cold. It's super cold here. Put my jacket, guys, because it's so cold, guys. I have no jacket. Here it is. Okay. Whew. Oh, grabe. It's so cold, RJ. RJ, do you want to shovel this? There you go. RJ to shovel that. You not want to shovel, honey. Okay, it's so cold. Whew. RJ, look at your face. It's so red. Okay, guys, that's it for today, guys. It's super cold. And see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.